Thank you. Time now for this hour's car review. I had a chance to drive the Lincoln Corsair 2023 model. Available trim levels are Standard, Reserve, and Grand Touring. There's no yawning on the air. No, it's not allowed.
Too late.
Apparently. I had the Reserve, which is the middle trim level. This is a small crossover SUV. Seats 5, including the driver. Exterior changes, well, it gets a refresh for the 23 model. So they've refined the front end of the thing. Little tweaks here and
Headlights, taillights, and grille.
Yep. Exterior features, larger front grille and redesigned headlights. Sheet metal boasts sophisticated kind of style. Painted wheel opening moldings, which I like. I don't like the black plastic. Yeah, because it's like, did the paint not go far enough on this build? Paint the wheel openings. Sloping roof line and extra wide rear hatch that actually kind of wraps around the side of it. It's kind of unusual if you look at where the slot is that the rear hatch goes in, but it works. It's great. Overall, high zoot appearance.
It should be. It's a Lincoln.
What could use improvement? I would say offer at least a trim level that's a little bit more aggressive with luxury competitors.
The Hot Rod Lincoln.
Hot Rod Lincoln. That'd be great. Interior highlights, conservative horizontal dash design with large standalone infotainment screen. And it has to be standalone because, it's a small SUV. They don't have lots of yardage in there to play with. Integrated HVAC vents across the bottom of the dash, which was a unique touch. So they've got a strip down there underneath the dash, kind of like old school, but all of it is the same height of this strip.
Keep your yarbles cool.
Comfortable seating, passive phone charger in under the console sliding door. Okay. What I liked, all Corsairs new now come with Copilot 360, which includes adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. They didn't do that before. What could use improvement? More bling, a little bit more expressive design. Let me see that it's a Lincoln. Come on, Ford, you can do it. 2.0 liter turbo 4, 250 horsepower out of that thing, 275 pound-feet of torque. Perfectly matched, in my opinion. 8-speed automatic transmission. It'll tow up to 3,000 pounds. It's 22 city, 30 miles per gallon highway for a combined of 25. I got 25.1.
Pretty good.
It's spot on, yeah.
Real good.
Mid-sized utility.
Yeah,
Mars could never
small
get that.
utility, 214.6 miles. A lot of it, of course, is on the tollway, as I've mentioned a million times. What I liked, nicely matched up horsepower with transmission, and that's important. A plug-in hybrid is available as well. Didn't get to drive that. Would love to someday. Hello, hint, hint, Ford. Ride and handling, what I liked about it, super smooth. It's a Lincoln.
Supposed to be.
What could use improvement? Adjustability on the suspension if I were going to offer anything. Have that as an option on there.
Good looking wheels on it, too.
Yes, it was a beautiful vehicle. I was thoroughly impressed, and this car's been out for a while. Base trim price $44,270. Prices tested $61,535, which falls right in line with others, and I'll show you about that in a minute. Base model price $38,690. Now, with the $38,690 entry-level price, it competes against the Acura RDX for $41,550, the Cadillac XT4 for $36,295, and the Lexus NX for $39,000.
So this is the smallest of Lincoln's utilities.
Okay. It is, yeah. It's very nice, and I wish that they would give more attention to their Lincoln brand because I think it is deserving. And I think it competes against those that I mentioned, among others. And if you're out shopping for a small SUV luxury brand, there you go. Go give them a shout.